Welcome to Roughing It with Ruth, the channel where everything is a bit rough around the edges. If you've watched some of my previous videos, then you'll know that my style of filming tends to be very amateur. I don't generally bring a tripod with me. Usually what it looks like when I'm filming is that I'm holding the camera and either pointing it away from myself or pointing it towards myself. The truth is though that I'm not actually holding on to the camera. Because I generally don't want to disrupt my hiking and backpacking experience at all, I really needed to find some way of filming hands-free while I was hiking. And the best method for doing this that I have found is with the GoPro and a hand strap. I use this all the time. It's probably the camera that I use the most on a hike. I do take two other cameras with me, one of which is the one that I'm filming on right now, the Sony RX100. That I keep in a fanny pack on my front, and I use that for when I stop or when I'm at camp or we're taking a lunch break and I have a chance to actually pull out a camera and film. But generally when I'm hiking, I need my hands, particularly if we're in the Drakensberg or some other slightly technical trail. I sometimes am scrambling or rock climbing over a section and I cannot be focused on my camera or holding onto it at all. That's where this hand strap really shines. It's got a soft material bottom with 3 straps on it that go around your palms and your fingers. And then it's got a hard plastic piece at the top, which has a swivel. And that allows you to point the camera in pretty much any direction. The camera at the moment, I just have facing down, but when I'm filming, I prop it upright like that. And there's a padded area underneath that hard plastic piece that goes on the top of your hand. And in general, I find this hand strap pretty comfortable. I'm quite happy to wear it for up to 8 hours. Sometimes you do need to just take it off and adjust it. And if I've worn it for a very long hike, then by the end of it, it does tend to start smelling a little bit whiffy from my sweat. The nice thing about having a camera on a hand strap as opposed to mounted to your head or mounted to your chest is that you have a little bit more options for variation. You can hold the camera up high, you can hold it down low, you can point it towards you can point it at other people. When it's on your head or on your chest, your perspective is the same no matter what you're doing. And with an action camera like the GoPro, you can also combine the hand strap with a really wide angle field of view so that you don't really have to be too worried about whether you're capturing the shot or not, because if the camera is pointed in your general direction or the general direction of what you're filming, you probably will get the thing that you're pointing it at. If you've got your own tips and tricks for filming hands-free in the outdoors, then please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more from me, then you can click on my channel name to see videos that I've made in the past, or you can subscribe to my channel to see videos that I'm going to make in the future.